Welcome back to the channel as we explore the luxury Truefitt Hill 1805 shaving set today. This premium pre-shave oil uses 10 essential oils to soften your beard and protect your skin perfectly. It contains powerful antioxidants that help heal and repair your face while increasing shave closeness and comfort. The glycerin-based shaving cream provides an incredibly smooth surface for a close and very comfortable grooming experience. You will enjoy the fresh oceanic fragrance, featuring notes of bergamot, mandarin, and spicy cardamom for every shave. This sophisticated scent settles into a warm base of sandalwood, cedar wood, and classic musk for lasting freshness. Use a badger hair brush with this hydrating set to achieve the ultimate professional barber results at home. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.